Accurate manufacturing documentation is crucial to successful PCB fabrication and assembly. However, creating all the required drawings can be time-consuming and error-prone, especially when modifications are made to the PCB. This how-to will show how to use LiveDoc in OrCAD X Presto to quickly and accurately create manufacturing documentation with templated views and automatic updates. First, let's activate LiveDoc. Select Manufacturing LiveDoc, Create New from Template from the menu. LiveDoc opens as a new tab in OrCAD X Presto with a fabrication drawing pre-populated. The standard fabrication drawing contains a top and bottom view of the board, as well as a stack-up detail and stack-up chart. Let's configure the views to improve visibility in the fabrication drawing. Select the board view at the top of the fabrication drawing. In the Properties panel, under Scale, enter 1.5 in the text field. Select anywhere in the canvas or press Tab on the keyboard to enter the value. Based on the object selected, the configurable settings in the Property panel will be adjusted. Select the Visibility tab. Under Geometry, select the eye icon for Design Outline to display the board outline in the board view. Let's configure the same settings for the bottom view of the board next. Select the board view at the bottom of the fabrication drawing and set the scale to 1.5 in the Properties panel. Select the Visibility tab. Under Geometries, select the eye icon next to Design Outline to display the board outline in the board view. Next, let's improve visibility for the stack-up detail and chart. Select the stack-up detail in the fabrication drawing. In the Properties panel, select the arrow for the font size and choose 16. Select the stack-up table from the fabrication drawing. In the Properties panel, select the arrow for the font size and choose 16. When LiveDoc is activated, an assembly drawing is also automatically created in addition to the fabrication drawing. At the bottom of the LiveDoc window, select the arrow next to Fabrication and choose Assembly from the drop-down menu. The assembly drawing contains the top and bottom assembly views of the board. Again, let's configure the settings of the assembly drawing to improve visibility. Select the board view at the top of the assembly drawing and set the scale to 2x in the Properties panel. Select the board view at the bottom of the assembly drawing. Click and drag to adjust the view position. In the Properties panel, set the scale to 2x. Next, let's add text to the drawing to clearly communicate the design intent. Right-click the Place Rectangle icon on the toolbar and select Place Text icon. Click the canvas below the Assembly Top view. Type Assembly Top and click anywhere in the canvas. With the text still selected in the Properties panel, select the arrow for the font size and choose 25. Use Ctrl-C to copy the text and Ctrl-V to paste. Click the canvas under the Assembly Bottom view. Double-click the text to edit and adjust the text to read Assembly Bottom. Select anywhere in the canvas when done. Next, let's add dimensions to the board. From the toolbar, select the Linear Dimension icon. Click to select a point on the board and click to select another point. Move the cursor to adjust the location of the dimension on the canvas, then click to place. Select the arrow icon from the toolbar or use Escape on the keyboard. Then select the newly placed dimension. In the Properties panel, select the arrow for the font size and choose 25. Select Set as Default. This will apply the current configuration to any dimensions added in the documentation. Select the Linear Dimension icon from the toolbar. Click to select a point on the board and click to select another point. Move the cursor to adjust the location of the dimension on the canvas, then click to place. The newly placed dimension has been adjusted to reflect the new default settings. Next, let's create a new drawing. Select the Add Page button from the bottom toolbar in the LiveDoc canvas. In the Properties panel, change the page name to Drill. Select the Place tab on the left of the LiveDoc canvas. Here you can select from predefined views and objects to quickly create the required manufacturing documentation, including solder mask, paste mask, and silkscreen views. Scroll down to the Fabrication Drawing section and select Drill Drawing 1 through 4. Click to place a drawing in the LiveDoc canvas. With the board view selected, in the Properties panel, set the scale to 2x. Select the accompanying text. In the Properties panel, select the arrow for the font size and choose 25 from the drop-down menu. Click and drag the text to adjust the drill drawing as needed. Select the Place tab. Then choose Drill Chart 1 through 4 from the templated views. Click and drag the mouse to the desired size for the drill chart, then release the mouse. Click to select the drill chart. In the Properties panel, select the arrow for the font size and choose 16. Repeat this process as needed to create the required manufacturing documentation. LiveDoc automatically updates the manufacturing documentation when changes are made in the PCB canvas. This real-time synchronization minimizes errors and saves time during the design process. Let's test out this functionality by adding mounting holes to the PCB. Select the Board tab to view the PCB design. Select Tools Mechanical from the menu, and select Mounting Hole 250 from the list of available mechanical symbols. Click to place a mounting hole in each corner of the PCB. When finished, select the X in the Mechanical Placement window to close. Select the LiveDoc Documentation tab. View the drill drawing. The mounting holes have been automatically added and the drill drawing and chart have been updated accordingly. Quickly create the required manufacturing documentation for your PCBs using templated views and automatic updates with LiveDoc and OrCAD X Presto. For more tutorials, visit us at resources.ema-eda.com. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.